Well, if you've ever worked on a DIY project in your home, you know a lot of times it's better to be safe than sorry. Well, tonight's Does It Work item promises to combine your phone and their product to easily find wooden studs, pipes, and wires in your walls before you start working. Shane Kanicki puts it to the test and does it work.
Our Does It Work product for this week is the Walabot, a wall scanner that connects with an app on your phone to detect wooden and metal studs, pipes, and wires up to 4 inches inside your wall. This product currently only works on Android phones. To give the Walabot a wall a shot, we got some assistance from Steve Sims, the owner of Wichita Fix It. Steve also runs a YouTube channel giving tips on do-it-yourself projects. And today he's seeing if the Walabot could help out on some of those jobs.
Looks kind of handy. Not much weight to it. I guess it kind of feels like a phone case.
We download the Walabot app from the Play Store, and Steve attaches the product to our phone with a USB cable and a sticky disc. For this test, we're going to use a piece of drywall with various materials placed behind it and see if the Walabot can detect them. We calibrate the product, and Steve uses the pan mode. This gives us a broad look at what's behind our wall.
We see there's something in there, but we don't know what it is.
We switch to image mode, which gives us a digital picture of what's behind the drywall. But Steve thinks it can be a little glitchy.
It's like it's not accurate with where it is.
We have a hard time locating the wire behind the wall consistently. The instructions say if you're having trouble, you should recalibrate the device and try again. So we do, and Steve thinks that fixes the issue.
If you're having a problem, I would definitely recalibrate.
So image mode does allow us to see the pipes, wires, and studs behind the wall. We switch to expert mode, which shows us the raw data the Walabot is collecting. Steve thinks this may be the handiest of the product modes.
Is that more helpful to you?
I would say that would be more helpful.
And he thinks the Walabot can detect a wire that we've placed just about 4 inches inside our frame.
It is picking it up. I would say that's the wire. It worked on wire, it worked on a stud, it was consistent with copper and metal. Well, it was accurate on everything that it says it's going to work on. It's just a little bit difficult when you're in the middle of doing construction to get your phone out to start hooking things up to try to find a stud.
But we got to ask, I mean, this is the question that we came to find out.
That's right.
Does the Walabot work?
Yes, it works.
For Does It Work, I'm Shane Kanicki.